let's not lie, we all love money and we are always looking for ways to make more money. And that's because even though money can't buy you happiness, it can buy you a whole lot of things that you like, and that's supposed to make you happy. And if it doesn't, then I don't know. Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can make money on Instagram without a following or without being famous. But before we get into this video, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you won't miss out on my future videos. So everyone is an influencer nowadays. When you watch videos on YouTube about how to make money on Instagram, they all tell you the same thing: have thousands of followers, approach brands, have a feed that is aesthetically pleasing, and all those things. But what if you don't want to be an influencer? Because not everyone want to be an influencer, but we all want to make money. And besides, growing on Instagram is not easy. Unlike on YouTube where you can search certain keywords and find people, Instagram is not SEO friendly. Most of the time you blow up on Instagram if you already have a following on YouTube and then those people follow you there, or you are Instagram pretty. I believe we are all pretty in our different ways, but that's not the case with Instagram. And let's not lie, we have all seen those Instagram pretty people blow up overnight because they fit to the society standard of pretty. All these things make it harder for some people to make money on Instagram. But in this video, I want to share with you how you can make your money on Instagram even if you don't have a following or even if you are not an influencer. You can make money on Instagram by getting a commission for the clothes or products you already own. Okay, I know this may sound like an influencer, but let me explain. Influencers get paid by brands directly by advertising products on their Instagram. So they put an Instagram post or Insta story and they get paid by the brand directly. But if you have a small account, you can't work with brands, but you can still make money via Instagram. You can do this by creating a website, even if it's a free website, where you post your Instagram pictures on that website. Let's say you love hair or makeup. Every time you rock a new wig, you can take a picture for Instagram and also post that picture on your website. Or if you're using a new foundation, you can post it on Instagram and also post it on that website. But how exactly can you make money using this method? This website is going to help you become an affiliate partner with those shops that you buy your things from. It could be from Amazon, AliExpress, or individual shops. You can sign up for affiliate marketing. The thing is, when you sign up for an affiliate partner, they always want a URL, so you must always have a website or YouTube. You can't just say you're gonna advertise on your Instagram. When you get accepted and you become a partner, you get a certain percentage every time someone purchases something through your link. You can get like 10% commission or even more. The good thing with linking Instagram and your website is, unlike on Instagram, if you're gonna approach a brand or you wanna be an affiliate for a certain brand using your Instagram, they will check your likes, they will check your followers, they will check your engagement. But with the website, they will only check how often you post. They won't check how many people visit your site, but they'll only check your content. I know you might be asking yourself, so how can I make money if I don't have an audience from Instagram? Like I said, you need to post both on your Instagram and your website. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your website link on your Instagram bio. Every time you post a picture, you can include in your caption that I got this quote from, or this wig from, or this foundation from. If you're interested, link in bio. And those people who are interested in buying that product, they will click on your bio and they will buy through your link. And when they buy through your link, you will get a commission. If you have a very, very small audience, you may not get sales immediately on Instagram, but the good thing is you can also post this link on Facebook, on your WhatsApp. And you know how we are as people. Whenever we see something nice, we are always asking, where did you buy that thing from? And you want to buy the same thing. So instead of telling people where you bought your jacket, tell them where you bought the jacket and give them the link so that when they purchase through your link. That way you can make money even if you don't have a large following. You may not be good on Instagram, but maybe you are good on Facebook, Snapchat, or WhatsApp. Don't tell people to go buy because that's a turn off and it's very much clear that you are trying to get a commission from them. What you need to do is just take nice pictures as you normally would and post those pictures. Let people see those pictures, and when they see something nice, they'll definitely ask you, where did you get this? Where did you get this? And then you can tell them where you got it and give them the link. Affiliate marketing is very, very powerful, guys. And please, if you don't know anything about it, try and educate yourself. You can make money through affiliate marketing. Like, you can literally make money. And I know there are so many courses teaching you about affiliate marketing, but you really can learn by yourself. There's so much information on the internet. Another way you can make money on Instagram is through IGTV ads. Yes, Instagram has announced that they'll be introducing IGTV ads, and the creators will be getting 55% of the money they make through ads. So for each and every video you post on IGTV, there's gonna be a short ad that plays before the video. You'll be able to make money the same way YouTubers make money through ads. Guys, this is insane because IGTV feature has been around for a while, and it's really refreshing to see that finally Instagram is gonna be paying their creators. Instagram released that they are already testing on other accounts, so very soon everyone will have this feature. You might be asking yourself, why am I telling you now before the feature is actually available to everyone? If you don't know already, on YouTube, before you get monetized, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, right? So the same thing with Instagram. Even though they haven't said anything about their requirements, but best believe there will be requirements for you to be able to display ads. So I'm telling you now, so that by the time they release the requirements for the monetization, you already have IGTV videos. For example, what if Instagram decides to say, in order to be able to be monetized or to be able to show ads on your IGTV videos, you must have 30 IGTV videos and maybe 10,000 views. I'm just making an example. If you start now posting on your IGTV, whatever videos you choose to post, by the time they release the requirements, you might already have met the requirements and you just start monetizing your videos right away. You can also make money on Instagram by using Instagram live badges. Have you seen how everyone is always live nowadays? Because obviously we are bored in quarantine. Even people with small following, people go live almost every day. Instagram has announced that they want to help their creators make money. So every time you go live, you're gonna be able to make money. Your viewers or your audience, no matter how small it is, they're gonna be able to purchase what is called live badges. Basically, they're gonna be able to tip you while you are live. When you go live, your viewers are gonna see, buy a badge to support Shane or buy a badge to support whoever you are. They're gonna see an option where they can buy a badge to support you or to tip you. And the nice thing about this is the badges are gonna be ranging from 99 cents to $5. So you can see that it's not even a lot of money. People can easily tip you. Imagine if you only have 20 people on your live and maybe like 10 people or 15 people decide to buy $5 badges or even $3 or $2. That's some money you didn't have. So you're gonna be able to make money even if you don't have a large following. And if you're already making long live videos, for example, if you like exercising live, people can tip you because you are motivating them. Or if maybe you have an instrument and you want to play your guitar for people, they can tip you if they want. So you see that there is an opportunity to make money even if you only have 100 followers. The good thing is, unlike IGTV ads where you only get 55% of what you make, with this one, Instagram live badges, 100% of the money goes to the creator. If you make $500, it's all going to your account. If you make $1,000, it's going to your account. If you are already like going live almost every day, continue to do so that you can build that connection. And if you haven't started already but you plan to make money on the platform, start going live. Obviously, don't just go live for meaningless reasons. Go live whether you're engaging with the audience or you are exercising or you're doing whatever, but try building a connection with your audience no matter how small it is, because very soon those live badges are going to be available to everyone. Right now Instagram is only testing with certain accounts. Prepare for this opportunity to make money on Instagram. You don't have to be an influencer, you don't have to be famous. Also guys, stop buying these fake courses that promise you 10,000 followers or 20,000 followers and all those things, because you may have 10,000 followers, but if you get only 20 likes or 15 likes, then it doesn't help you and it makes you look like you are a scam yourself. Just grow your Instagram naturally, and if you're gonna be an influencer one day, then that's okay. It's gonna come naturally, and while you're waiting, you can make money using these methods that I mentioned. And that's it for today guys. I didn't want to make this video long. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Before you go, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss out on my future videos. Don't worry, I won't spam you. I only post twice a week.